So, tanggalin ang pera sa akin, sino ako? Nilikha ako ng isang limitless creator. And therefore, all I have to do is to be like my creator. And the way I do that is through understanding that lahat ng desires natin sa buhay, mapapera man yan, maparelationship man yan, mapahealth man yan, willing at able at any time available yan kung handa yung vessel mo. So if there's one thing I'm happy and excited about because nalaman ko to, no, naging aware ako because a lot of people are struggling in their life, nawala na ng pag-asa, hindi pa kumikita, at akala yung buhay ganun lang. Kasi nga, tulog eh. Right? And right now, I just feel so blessed because, I have this awakening area in my life wherein I think 2007 na nagising ako sa katotohanan na nakakala ko the end all and be all is to create as much money as I can because that's what success is all about. And only to find out that's the loneliest place to be. Because money is all I have. So tanggalin ang pera sa akin, sino ako?